hard to fire sort of a performance. We'll go now to Lebanon to further get ourselves completely mesmerized with this buzuq player. Hanan Halwani, a talented buzuq player and composer who has been passionate about music since a young age. She studied music and later buzuq with renowned musicians. She's a solo buzuq player and has performed with many bands and orchestras since 2011. Her music compositions have been broadcasted on radio stations and TV channels and used in movies as well. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Hanan is now working on her solo album and continuing collaboration with local and international artists. We welcome Hanan with open hearts so she can let her magic fire our souls away. Over to you, Hanan.
وين بيروت كل الفن والجمال معانا أجمل حنان من عازفات البيزوك، وهي آلة نادرة، وفي ندرتها هي من النساء القليلات جدا اللي بيعزفوها على شكلها الأصلي بوترين فقط. درست الموسيقى وتمرست فيها، ورسالتها الأصلية من الموسيقى فقط إنها تدخل إلى قلوب كل من يسمعها. حنان اليوم صممت لنا معزوفة خاصة بالحب فقط. نرحب من بيروت بحنان.
شكرا. Thank you for that lovely introduction. شكرا على هالمقدمة الجميلة جدا. هعرف شوي. أنا مثل ما شايفين بعزف بزق، أكيد هدفي دايما أنه ننشر الحب، يعني بعتبرها مثل مسؤوليتنا كموسيقيين ننشر الحب بكل هالعالم. فأنا جدا فخورة أنه اليوم عم شارك بمهرجان صوت الحب. هيدي المعزوفة سميتها حب. so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hanan. That was a fiery performance and really, really so much of applaud for you. Thank you so much. It was so magical seeing how beautifully you made love to the buzuq. It was sensational. Thank you so much. And with this, our dear friends, we are going to close for tonight. I would first of all, in the end, like to thank everybody who was a part of this beautiful concert. Let me thank Marco, Leo, and Mary from Austria. I would like to thank Shubhamji from India, Mika from Japan. Thank you so much for your violin. Hybrid, the band from Sudan. Amazing performance. I heard angels in your voices. Upasna from India, thank you so much for giving us your undivided attention and time and such soulful singing. Shanti Omkara from Germany, CJ from US, you guys just made our hearts open. Ranjit Melapat, you helped us swim in the sea of emotions. Atif on the oud from Sudan, sensational performance. Flawless, amazing. Thank you so much for helping us understand Arabic music a bit more. Sumeda for opening our hearts to love, and Hanan for the sensational, fiery element for today's concert. Thank you so much. Hanan from Lebanon, I loved every bit of it. And now we're going to close. But